This video is a quick start guide to help you properly set up the Insight Digitizing System by PRM. This system is extremely accurate and will provide a very detailed shape if used properly. Make sure that the signature fit order form is properly completed with the following dimensions: seat to back angle, seat depth, functional and actual cushion size, seat to back height, and back height. Seat to back angle can be obtained by reading the gauge located on the molding frame. PRM recommends that you mold the shape at increments the wheelchair can easily obtain. For example, 90 degrees, 95 degrees, 100 degrees, etc. This will make mounting the finished system much easier. Seat depth. Functional seat depth is measured from the deepest part of the back bottom to the front edge in a straight line. Additions and/or subtractions can be made on the order form in location provided. The combination of the two numbers will provide the actual cushion size. Seat to back height is measured from the lowest part at the rear of the seat to the top of the back. If you have molded with a gap, it should be noted, and the difference between actual back height and seat to back height is the gap. PRM recommends a 1-inch gap to allow for airflow, provide easy cover removal, and provide the ability to check that client is positioned all the way to the back. The following things will be needed for the camera to function properly. You will need a FireWire port, or Express card, or PCMCIA card. Make sure the card slides into place and the computer recognizes the card. You will also need a powered FireWire hub, a 6-pin to 6-pin FireWire cable approximately 10 to 15 feet long, a 6-pin to 1394B cable, the Insight camera, and mounting pole. Setup begins as follows. Plug one end of 15-foot 6-pin cable into camera. Attach the camera to pole using mounting screw. Camera should be mounted behind mounting bar. Plug other end of 15-foot 6-pin cable into powered FireWire hub. Plug the power cable for hub into outlet and into hub. Plug 6-pin cable with 1394B into FireWire hub. Plug the 1394B end into the computer. Mount pole so that bottom of camera is 40 inches from seat pan. Make sure no cables are hanging in view of camera. Make sure light on camera is solid green. Use the bubble level to make sure camera is level. Consistent light is key to success. Avoid shadows and sunlight. This is how you operate the software. Open software on the computer by double-clicking. Make sure camera is mounted properly to mounting bar. Software image will look as if you are standing in front of molding frame. Knees at front, buttocks at rear of seat. Orient the red box or area of interest by centering left to right and positioning over shape. Make sure red box is equal to or slightly beyond front of seat and to bottom of back. Rotate pole if needed to square red box with frame. To ensure left to right orientation and cushion alignment, be consistent with orientation of red box. If you use left side of molding frame for seat, use the left side of molding frame for the back as well. Brightness adjustments. If image on screen looks too bright or shiny, adjust exposure by clicking on Camera Control. Click Auto Off box and adjust by moving bar manually using mouse. The image will change as you move along scale. A dull shape is better than a bright shape. Sometimes you may need to block reflective light to prevent distortion. Consistent light is the key to getting good images. Capturing shape. Select Window, then take a picture. Select Export and the 97 by 81 resolution. The time bar will show up on the screen as the software does the mathematical calculations to draw the shape. Once software is done, it will bring up a Save As window. Save the shape to the folder of your choice and name the file. We recommend including the date and whether the file is a seat or back in the file name. Checking shape. Open the Insight editing software by double-clicking. Select File, Open Seat. Find the location where the file was saved and select the file. Then select Open. By holding down the right mouse click and moving the mouse, you can view the shape in a different plane. If shape looks good, minimize screen and go back to Insight digitizing software and digitize the back. If both images are good, they are ready to be emailed to PRM for fabrication. If a quote is needed, you can email a request for quote or use our quote generator. For more information about the quote generator, contact PRM Customer Service. This concludes the Insight Software Quick Start Guide. For additional information about PRM, visit our website at prmrehab.com or contact customer service toll-free at 866-776-7342. Thank you.